Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My writings in the early 21st century. As I mentioned previously, I had set up a Department of Islamic Studies in Preston University, Ajman. And it was in need of texts for aqeedah, for fiqh, etc. And I was busy trying to put texts together, compile, translate, write, so that students studying in the program would have a rounded exposure to Islamic studies, Sharia or Usul al-Din. And among the books which I prepared was this book, Radiance of Faith, or Lum'atul I'tiqad, which was written originally by Ibn Qudamah, a classical Hanbali scholar who has written the most extensive fiqh works for Hanbali school of thought. This work focused on the names and attributes of Allah. So this was an aspect of aqeedah, tawheed, which the book focuses on in greater detail. So this became the ideal text for Aqeedah 102. And as such, it was published, limited edition again, in 2002. And it was used in the distance learning program which I developed for Omdurman Islamic University. The text is currently being revised, edited, and I hope, inshallah, in the coming months to republish it as a text of benefit to readers who would like to read the early works in their original expression, along with modern commentary to put those works into context, into today's context. I pray that Allah allows me to live to see the publication of this work on a global scale, and that Muslims benefit from it. The Ummah needs aqeedah. It needs tawheed in so many different ways. And I pray that this work will help to complete a part of that need. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.